Hey, what's going on, guys? Tom Lloyd here with BeatDown Outdoors. I wanted to go through just some of the constant questions that we get from customers about, what's in the box. What do you get when you order a transducer pole from BeatDown Outdoors? When you pick it up from a box store, retailers across the country. First and foremost, you get a great box. Use it for whatever you want when it's done. We're going to open this thing up though, and basically you have obviously some packing material here. You can discard that or do whatever you want with it. You can start a fire or whatever you want to do. But what you have in here is all of your components for your BeatDown transducer pole. So no matter if you have a BeatDown transducer pole, that's the breakaway, the flex, or the track pole, you're going to be able to have all of the information in here. So there's a little instruction card in here for you to take a look at, and then you're going to have all the details and all of the product that makes up this transducer pole. So you have your pole arm here, which was the breakaway system. If you got the fixed pole, you're just going to have this piece without this circular collar here. You're going to have a pole base, which is going to allow you to bolt that down to the deck of your boat. One thing to note about this base is it does not come with mounting hardware, so you're going to want to make sure you get that. The only reason we don't send that out to you is because we don't know where you're going to mount it. We don't know what size the deck is, so you can get the mounting hardware either from the BeatDown website or your local hardware store. We also have two knobs here, which allow you to mount the arm here to the base, so that'll slide right in there. And then from here, on the back side of this, you're going to have a pole arm. So this arm is going to be in the box here on the back side. And then whenever you pull all this out here, you're going to have the arm, and that's kind of holding in everything. Pull this arm out, and then whenever you're ready to put this thing together, you just snap this in here and get it on the boat. So this obviously then will go down in the arm, attached right there, drop it down through there, and you're ready to go. So check it out, beatdownoutdoors.com, or wherever you bought this mount from, transducer pole mount. The other thing that you might want to see is the place where you're going to attach your transducer. So this is just a clamp that comes with it. You can take this tape off, clamp your transducer around there, and that secures that. But what's cool about this is you can extend this pole out. It's got little notches here to put it and make it wherever you need it to be. And then of course you can do the same thing on the handle up and down here. So really great system here. You're gonna love this BeatDown transducer pole that you get from BeatDown Outdoors. Check it out, beatdownoutdoors.com. Remember, can't beat a beatdown. See you guys.